Salutations, Michael J. Southwest Shaman. This is StereoFix 888. And getting ready to do a little workout. I'm not condoning smoking and working out, but that's why it's abstract personal development. I've gone through such a transformation recently, and these vices are slowly falling to the wayside. But if you knew me last September, you'd be glad that I'm smoking marijuana. Picking my face, not supposed to do that. Goodness gracious, okay. Look, the story that I put forth on my channel is the story of a real life American theme. The things I've came back from, any one of them, a person could use as an excuse to throw in the towel in life. So, this is a special story. My story is a special story. For sure. And I'm trying to help people with my story. Workout thing popping. Let's get it popping now. What? I'm gonna do some rows, some hanging rows. That's something you build to, obviously, and the impact, if you will, is something that helps to make it more strenuous. I'm a little bit on that CrossFit thing, you know what I'm saying? A little bit about that. Need that love. Just do a quick workout before I get myself back to work. Because look, I just got to put forth. It's more about consistency, right? Because you'll never get to where you're just in one week or 1 month. And if you knew, even if you look at my videos, you can see I was somewhat shot out just a week ago. But the only reason I'm able to come back like this is because I have put in the time, and I have gotten myself up to, built myself up to where I'm, healthy and in good shape physically. So it's like, this is for all y'all out there, man. Don't ever count yourself out. Don't ever give up on yourself. Cause like, I want you to know is, if you had it, if you've experienced any amount of success or health or love, it can be recreated. It can be brought back. It can be rebuilt. Alright? We can rebuild. You know what I'm saying? You just have to believe and know this. Know this. Life would be boring if we instantly got everything we got. So there's a delay. So you better have faith, and you better believe in yourself and believe wholeheartedly, not with your mind, with your heart, that whatever it is that you're trying to build is coming, and follow the synchronicities, follow life. That's the idea. It's the journey, not the destination, y'all, because look, once you get there, if you're only chasing the destination, you might find that it was never what you wanted in the first place, because what you're actually chasing is the feeling. So create that feeling now. Create the feeling of the desired reality. Southwest Shaman, like and subscribe.